Hello all, welcome to this lecture where we'll be understanding more about deep learning. So we discussed briefly about deep learning in previous lectures. Now do a deep dive in deep learning using an interesting example. As we discussed in previous section, deep learning is a type of machine learning based on neural networks. The adjective deep in deep learning refers to the use of multiple layers in neural network. Okay, let's understand more on neural network. They are the building blocks of deep learning. Imagine them as digital version of human brain. It tries to replicate the human brain's way of learning and making decisions. It's made up of layers of beautifully connected nodes, like tiny but very powerful decision-making units. And these units work together to learn patterns in data. Let's see how these layers work with each other. So the first layer might spot simple things like lines. The next layer combines lines into shape. And the following layers put shapes together to recognize a complex pattern. So that's how end-to-end neural network works. It has nodes, it has layers, and multiple layers work together to identify a complex pattern. Okay, let's also see this with an interesting real-life example. So let's say you are creating a deep learning model that could allow dentists to read X-rays more accurately and helping them better detect tooth decay and gum disease. For this, you will have to train a neural network with tons of labeled tooth X-ray pictures, and the label should be whether it's a tooth decay, gum disease or healthy. So labeling is nothing but just tagging the picture whether it is a tooth decay, gum disease or healthy. If you tag it correctly, it will train the model correctly and it will give the desired result. During this process of training, the neural network adjusts its connections, like strengthening the ones that help it identify tooth decay, gum disease or healthy teeth. And once it is trained, you give the neural network a new picture, it analyzes it through various layers, and the final layer gives you the answer whether it is tooth decay, gum disease or a healthy teeth. That's how neural network works. I hope you like this example and this section. Thank you. See you in the next lecture.